Ruby's quaint house stands amidst lush greenery, a colourful haven. The garden bursts with flowers of every hue, a vibrant tapestry of nature's artistry. A gentle breeze whispers through the trees. Rustling leaves, sunlight paints the scene in warm, inviting tones, highlighting the house's charming details. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blossoms, a peaceful morning. Ruby, a cheerful bear, steps out, sketchbook in paw, paints at the ready, her heart brimming with joy. Her eyes light up as she takes in the vibrant colors and sweet scents of her beloved garden. A duck waddles past, its feathers gleaming in the sunlight, a splash of yellow against the green, followed by a rabbit, its nose twitching, hopping playfully through the flower beds. Ruby smiles, inspired by the simple beauty surrounding her, ready to capture it all on canvas. Ruby's studio, a vibrant explosion of color and creative chaos, brushes like soldiers, pencils scattered like fallen twigs. Sunlight bathes the room in a warm glow, illuminating canvases bearing the ghosts of past creations. Ruby approaches her easel, her eyes gleaming with artistic inspiration, a new vision taking hold. She stands poised, ready to unleash her creativity onto the waiting canvas, a silent promise in her focused gaze. Bathed in sunlight, Ruby sits on a small stool, her brow furrowed in concentration as she captures the garden's beauty on canvas. Her brush dances across the canvas, meticulously blending colors to mirror the vibrant hues of the surrounding flowers. She pauses, her eyes reflecting the vivid landscape, seeking the perfect shade to bring the scene to life. Nearby, a baby bear watches her with rapt attention, its innocent eyes wide with fascination at her artistic endeavor. The gentle breeze carries the scent of blossoms as Ruby loses herself in the act of creation, oblivious to the world. The painting slowly comes to life, a vibrant reflection of the garden's beauty, capturing a fleeting moment in time. Ruby's paintbrush is a blur of motion, a dance of artistry as it hovers above the pristine canvas. Delicate strokes begin to form a symphony of colors swirling together in harmonious chaos. The vibrant hues merge, creating the unmistakable silhouette of a rose bursting into life under Ruby's touch. Each petal is carefully rendered, capturing the soft, velvety texture and intricate details of the blooming flower. The rose takes shape, a vivid testament to Ruby's skill and passion, a celebration of beauty on canvas. Ruby sets up her easel on the riverbank, the grass soft beneath her as she prepares to paint. The river flows, its surface a mirror, reflecting the vibrant greens and blues of the surrounding trees. Her brush begins to dance, capturing the shimmering light on the water. Each stroke brings the scene to life, the canvas slowly echoing the beauty around her. The gentle sounds of the river create a peaceful atmosphere, enveloping Ruby in calm. Lost in her work, Ruby finds solace in the rhythm of nature and the flow of her art. Bathed in the warm glow of sunset, Ruby stands poised among the flowers, her eyes mirroring the vibrant canvas before her. With passionate strokes, she captures the blazing hues of orange, pink, and purple that paint the twilight sky. The garden is a symphony of colors, each petal and leaf illuminated by the setting sun's golden light. Ruby's brush dances across the canvas, a whirlwind of creativity mirroring the fleeting beauty of the dusk. Sunset's colors ignite in Ruby's eyes, a reflection of the fiery passion she pours into her art. After the brief shower, Ruby stands, captivated by the vibrant rainbow arcing across the vast sky. Her eyes dance between the real rainbow and her canvas, a spark of inspiration igniting her artistic soul. She begins to meticulously recreate the rainbow's ethereal colors, blending hues with focused intensity. Each brushstroke is a testament to her dedication, striving to capture the rainbow's fleeting beauty. The canvas comes alive, mirroring the sky's radiant spectacle, a vibrant echo of nature's masterpiece. In the heart of her studio, Ruby adorns her garden with strings of lights, their gentle warmth chasing away the encroaching darkness. Bathed in the soft glow, Ruby's painting area transforms into a sanctuary of creativity and light. Undeterred by the night, she stands before her easel, a solitary figure immersed in her craft. The darkness outside only serves to highlight the vibrant colors taking shape under her skilled hand. Her brush dances across the canvas, each stroke confident and fluid, guided by an inner vision. In this illuminated haven, Ruby finds solace and expression, painting her world into existence. Under the soft moonlight, Ruby stands before her easel, a lone figure amidst the tranquil garden. Her brush dances across the canvas, bringing to life a nocturnal symphony of stars and moonlit flowers. Each stroke captures the essence of the night, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. Fireflies weave through the air, their tiny lights mirroring the stars above, adding magic to the scene. A cool night air envelops the garden, carrying the scent of night-blooming jasmine and damp earth. The garden transforms into an enchanted realm, a living painting under the serene gaze of the moon. Soft light bathes Ruby's face, highlighting the pure joy radiating from her expression. Her eyes sparkle, reflecting the passion and contentment that fill her as she creates. A gentle smile graces her lips, a silent testament to the beauty of her art. Lost in her craft, Ruby's world is painted with colors of happiness and artistic fulfillment. Each brushstroke is a dance of emotion, a visual symphony only she can hear. A montage of Ruby's paintings bursts forth, each canvas a symphony of color and emotion. Vibrant sunsets bleed across landscapes, capturing fleeting moments of fiery beauty. Raw emotion etches itself onto portraits, revealing the hidden depths of the human soul. Abstract explosions of imagination ignite the senses, a kaleidoscope of texture and form. A grand art gallery showcases Ruby's artwork, the vibrant canvases stealing the breath of every patron. Art enthusiasts meander, lost in the colorful stories painted across each canvas. In a quiet corner, Ruby observes a silent guardian absorbing the raw emotion her art evokes. Her modest stance belies the powerful impact of her creations, each stroke a whisper of her soul. Under the warm sunlight, Ruby approaches her house, her figure framed by the vibrant greenery. A bouquet of flowers rests gently in her hands, their colors a vivid splash against her attire. Her steps are light, each one imbued with a sense of purpose and quiet joy. A gentle smile plays on Ruby's lips, a silent testament to the gratitude she holds within. The flowers seem to mirror her inner state, a reflection of the beauty she finds in her life. Her eyes sparkle with an inner light, reflecting a deep appreciation for her art and her journey. In a sun-drenched garden, Ruby sits amidst her colorful canvases, a sanctuary of art blooming around her. A curious duck waddles closer, its beady eyes fixated on the vibrant strokes. A fluffy rabbit twitches its nose, seemingly lost in the painted scenes, captivated by the artistry. Even a baby bear pauses, its innocent gaze drawn to the artwork, a heartwarming gathering of admirers. Warmth and happiness radiate from the scene, a perfect harmony of nature, art, and companionship. As dusk paints the sky, Ruby stands silhouetted on her porch, a peaceful guardian of her vibrant garden. Her gaze sweeps across the blossoms, a serene smile revealing her deep appreciation for nature's artistry. She raises her paintbrush in a gesture of silent gratitude, acknowledging the beauty that envelops her. The colorful hues of dusk mirror the joy in her heart, a perfect harmony of artist and muse.